Hello and welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. So in the previous video I explained what a Shadda is. You can watch the video to understand that. And then these are exercises to help with the pronunciation, and these as well. So this one will be ru ba. So the Shadda is, instead of two bas, you say ba, and that's from what I've understood. But if you've got somebody who you can have access to help you with your pronunciation and how to say letters, then it's best to find it. But I'm self-teaching, trying my best to learn it on my own first, and then when I need help I can find somebody to help me. But I want to do as much as I can right now on my own. Then there's bata, ha, tha, and so on. So this one combines some of the harakat that we've learned previously, like the fathas. This now incorporates the shadda, another fatha, and a sukun, which I've done videos for previously. You can watch the previous videos. So this combines everything, or some of the things that we've learned so far, for new words. Let me try and pronounce this one, for example. Nazalat. Nazalat. Yes. Wasa'at. Yeah, and so on. And I am going to look in the Quran for shaddas. I'm sure they are there. Some, oh yeah, here, there. Allah. Like here, there's the shadda with the fatha there. And also here, another shadda with a fatha. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.